Hey guys, today we're gonna be decorating a witch hat for Halloween. Right here I have my witch hat, just got it from Spirit Halloween, got it for like $8 with a coupon, and all of this came from Target. This twiny stuff, burlap ribbon, these fake gourds, these little pieces, they were each like $1 or so, but the green pumpkins were like $3 for all of that, but ooh, look at what we got from Target. Anyways, let's put some of the burlap ribbon on as a little decoration, but since the hat points into a cone, it's not going to lay flush, so we're going to have to pinch, using the pinching method to sort of lay it flat. Cut it where the pinch is and sort of overlap it. Sort of glue it down just like that with the hot glue, and it'll lay mostly flat. And since all of the plastic gourds and everything are lightweight and plastic and hollow, everything's gonna sit well on this floppy hat. There's my cat in the background. But anyways, I just decorated this to look kind of festive and harvesty, and yeah. Just put it on however you want. And that's it. Alright, hope you have a good Halloween, guys. Okay, thanks, bye.